Okay guys, this is Covent Garden at night. 11:30 and it's just starting to party. And we're trying to find the local underground so we can get home to our neck of the woods.
Should we do a little junkie picture?
Yeah! Where are we going?
To Russell Squares.
Yes, yes, that's where we're going.
Trust me, I want to get home safe.
So we got some nibbles. We went to King's Cross Station.
Yes.
And Will's got his nibbles. We found Netflix. We got the window open because we don't have AC. Which apparently for two Americans is a huge deal, not having AC in England. But we're coping. But I have to say, I am sweating. If I was at home, I would have turned the AC on about 20 minutes ago. But we're living with it. So our first night in London, we've got a whole day ahead of us tomorrow. And then we've got another destination. So yeah, stick with us. Today we explore London. We're going on a hop-on, hop-off bus if we can find it today. And I think we're going out for Indian and then the rest is a surprise. So got a bit of a late start today. It's 11 already and yeah, because we stayed up way past midnight last night. So yeah, on to today. On our way to King's Cross Station. Will, you can go up in there. Yeah. Golden curry, egg fried rice, and Will got a
Sweet and sour.
Sweet and sour. That looks delicious.
That looks good, Maree.
Yeah. Ooh, these doors are lovely. Oh. This is where we ate. Now it's time to go on a boat.
We've done almost every.
Yeah,
every way of transportation.
Yeah, plane, boat, car, train, taxi, bus.
Then walking.
It's a glorious evening. It's so lovely. It's like 5:30 and we just ate at the Thai restaurant and it's just been a perfect day. It's really, really warm. then tomorrow we're off to Scotland. So let's enjoy this boat ride.
Unaffordable houses in the centre.
St. Paul's Cathedral up there in the distance.
And the Harley Expressions, one of London's most fancy and expensive columns. They were so well built into the foundations that if they was taken out, it would disturb the foundations of this bridge. They used the columns closest to the bridge to make this bridge wider. They made it bigger. All for the Olympics back in 2012. 500 million quid they spent on their bridge, making it wider and building a roof on top. And, you know,
Yeah.
we used to get a lovely full picture of St. Paul's from the river until they stuck this thing in the way, the Blade of Lights. The proper name for the bridge, designed by Norman Foster. We call it the Wobbly Bridge. God knows who we are next.
So apparently we're riding down to Tower Bridge. There's a little boat club over there. That's pretty cool.
Yeah, he's been out here what? 12 days now.
So we just checked out. This was our house. Well, the white portion of the house, and then down below, the ground level, was our little place for these past 2 nights. And now we need to walk to, where is it? King's Cross Station, because we are on our way to Edinburgh. So we're going to go find a little cafe, go have breakfast, and I think it takes about 5 hours to get to Edinburgh. So yeah, it's going to be a nice train ride. All right, see you guys in a minute. Sunday morning, the streets are pretty empty for London. I wonder what area of London this is called, because I don't know if this is King's Cross too.
Oh, her dad used to do something here in London. And then her mom and her used to fly here a lot. That's why.
Okay, we made it here. That's what, 10-minute walk, you reckon?
Tired.
Yeah. All right, let's go eat. Now this is a proper English breakfast. We don't normally have hash browns, so that must be an American influence, but we got some gorgeous mushrooms, white bread, tomato, bacon, sausage. It's Cumberland sausage, and look at the color of the yolks on those eggs. Those are free-range eggs. Oh my gosh, so excited. So we're on Coach J, 22, 23, 24, and we are departing on time. Excited! Okay, so to order food and drink, all you have to do is scan this. Your menu will come up on your phone, and then you place your order and you pay with your credit card. Just tap it, and then they will bring you your food and drink to your table on the train. All convenient. Will, what are you gonna order? Gin and tonic?
Gin and tonic.
Yeah.
Gin and tonic and coffee. Yeah, that's fine. Thank you. I appreciate the extra.
Look, Izzy wants me to film her paper bag.
It's not paper. It's paper.
Okay. Izzy has a Carlsberg Pilsner lager. Will has a gin
Gin and tonic.
gin and tonic, and I have a hot chocolate. Welcome to York. Welcome to Durham. I should have videoed that, shouldn't I? The other side. It's alright when we come back. This is really pretty. Oh, look at this. It's a big city. Newcastle, and it's 20 to 1.
We are next.
Okay, we're in Edinburgh now, so this is the living room of the Airbnb, and the dining room, and the back garden, and this is the cutest kitchen so far. Is this the fridge? Oh no, pantry. So lovely. Old style radiators. Like it, like it, like it. That's the sleeper sofa right there. And what's this, the bathroom? A bathroom here, shower. Ooh, it's very cute. Bathroom, and then bedroom. This is big. This is a nice size. Cute headboard. Seen that picture before. And then the bathroom. This is sweet. This is a nice bathroom. I like their tiles. They're nice. All right, let's go explore Will's room. Do, 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 do. Will, I'm coming in. Where are you? Oh, he doesn't have a bathroom. Okay, and then I guess these are, what's this? Oh, iron, cleaning stuff. And what's this? Oh, washer. Cool beans and iron. Once again, I like the floor. Woohoo! Nice and creaky. So we made it. Taxis are right outside Waverley Station. If you come out, you would take a left. Go down, there's a big old line that you can stand in, they turn around and they pick you up. We only waited like 10 minutes. So yeah, we're gonna rest for 10 minutes and then go and explore. Hey, we at Rhubarb in the middle of Edinburgh. This is our view. And it's a really pretty restaurant. It's lovely in here. Cheers! Woohoo! So jalfrezi. What was yours called? Biryani.
Yes.
Biryani with madras curry sauce. Yours is
Tikka masala.
tikka masala and naan bread. There's the castle. There.